Good morning students. I welcome to all in science virtual classes and we have continued our chapter 10 air. Our today topic is the atmosphere as a shield. You already know that what is atmosphere. The atmosphere, the thin envelope of gases forming a protective covering around the earth. It is retained by the earth gravity and it is highly compressible. Means atmosphere is envelope of air around us, earth. Density decreases rapidly with the height. If earth has no atmosphere, then days would be extremely hot and night would be extremely cold. Earth atmosphere maintain a balance between the amount of heat absorbed from the sun and the amount of heat that escapes back into the space. Atmosphere is like an umbrella to protect us from the harmful rays of the sunlight. Ozone gas. Ozone gas present in the upper layer of the atmosphere and prevent the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sunlight. Earth atmosphere, we can say that earth atmosphere also protect us from the sun harmful rays. It protects us from being burned to death, help to bringing rain necessary for our survival. It holds the oxygen we need to breathe. The composition of the atmosphere make the earth habitable. Means in atmosphere there are some harmful ultraviolet rays of the sunlight from the reaching of the surface of the earth, and these ultraviolet rays can cause skin and the eye diseases in animals and affect the growth of plant. Earth atmosphere serve as a shield that protect us from the harmful debris, energy, etc., and it insulate the planet by trapping heat in the process called the greenhouse effect. We have learned the greenhouse effect later on, but here the ozone layer in the air protect the animals and plants from the harmful effect of ultraviolet rays present in the sunlight. You have revised this topic, the atmosphere as a shield. Thank you so much.